just come here. They will help you out. And this is JobLink. It is made for connecting students and jobs. In front, you can see that's Leeds University Union. It's my most favorite place. You can have a cup of coffee, you can have a cup of tea, and you can just sit with anyone and have a conversation.
So there is an Indian cafe inside
Yes.
this university, guys. Yeah.
Whenever you need to talk about anything, there is always student advice office. You can come here till 5 and they will help you out. And this is the Roger Stevens building. यहाँ पे हमारी classes लगती हैं. This is very weird building. अंदर से भी अतरंगी, बाहर से भी अतरंगी. इसका कोई style ही अलग है.
I think I was reading this some kind of brutalist architecture.
Yeah, brutalist architecture. तो वो अंदर से भी मैं खो जाती हूँ.
हाँ.
Best part पता है यहाँ का क्या है? They are so accessible. Like अगर आपके पैर नहीं है, हाथ नहीं है, आप देख नहीं सकते, they will make sure that you know you're doing well.
Right.
One of my classmates, he is blind, but he is always there in class. So if they're providing study material, it's accessible to everyone.
Right.
People who cannot see, people who can see. So there is audio, visual, everything, so that no one is left out. In India, we don't have this, and I wish it was more. Be careful with this staircase.
So this campus is also, I think, in a very weird kind of architecture. It's
Yes.
steps. Then you are going to have some.
Yes, because it's hilly. And with other universities like I think Oxford and Cambridge, they have a set of colleges, and
Yes.
then it's a university.
Yeah.
This is one university with departments in it.
Departments in it, yeah.
So this is very different.
Yeah, we were in Oxford 3 days ago.
Okay.
Just had a quick interview with a student who's doing MBA there. And then we've been running across UK right now.
Oh, I love Leeds. Oh my God, there's so much to love in this city. The place is so good. You came here in summer, but during spring, it's filled with flowers.
They're filled with flowers, yeah.
Daffodils everywhere.
And have you had a chance to travel across UK?
I went to York recently.
Okay.
I am not much of a traveler. I loved it.
York was good?
Yeah, York is beautiful but expensive, so a little
And
bit.
did you also meet some of your people from your domain at the university, or you were just there traveling?
No, just traveling.
Okay.
I just went to... This is Edward Boyle. It's a library here.
Okay.
It has, I think, so many floors, 5 floors. 13th floor is dedicated for PG students.
Okay.
There are 13 cafes across the university. So if you're going around, you will always find a cafe. This is the edit room, which I think is closed right now. It's a cafe here.
Edit room, that's a cafe. I think it's closed now, but
Yes.
that's where people can have lunch.
Yeah. Anyone can have lunch. You need ID card to enter. But this library, इसी खासियत है 24 घंटे खुली है.
24 घंटे रहती.
So you can look it from here. अंदर सारे अंदर makeshift libraries हैं, activities होती हैं यहाँ पे students के लिए. You can come here, I think. It's no issue. You just can't go inside. You can come till here. So I think it's all right. Yeah, it's fancy. आप वहाँ से देखोगे ना 3 माले के ऊपर. Like you can see how students sit there.
But this is available 24 hours.
Yes,
to you
24
guys.
hours. And you can have a free drink right now during the exam sessions. यहाँ पे यदि आप थक गए हो, तो आप यहाँ के rest कर सकते हो.
Right.
There's everything.
Yeah, the thing is in India, if you are there, hardly anybody goes to the library.
It's full all the time. We can go out from here also. You can take this picture, it looks beautiful.
You have a very different kind of, topic that you're working on.
Yes.
So
Menstruation. Because I live in a community which is highly tabooed. This is such a large campus. ये मेरी building है, social science. Do you want to see it?
Yeah.
You can come here.
This one is under renovation right now.
Yeah, from up, like not from Fulda Simpson. So these are the silent spaces. In case you don't want to study in library, you can study here. And we can come here, it's all right. So this is where School of Sociology, Social Policy, Political Science, International Studies. It's India in this building. Yeah.
And you have a lot of international students?
Yes. Mostly English students. I think they're very interested in this subject. So we are here. This is the icon of the university. Whenever you think of Leeds, in all the websites, you can see this.
Okay, that is what's there on the logo.
Yes. And from here, we are going to University Union. Do you want to also go to the Parkinson building, the most famous one, the one you see in the logo?
Huh? We can go to the Students' Union.
No, after this.
After this, yeah.
Okay.
Why not? We're also, otherwise, we just walk through the campuses. We don't really understand what we are seeing. So,
यहाँ पे खरगोश हैं पूरे में. Like people are mad about them and they're all over the place. This is one of the most beautiful thing about campus life. It's filled with rules. It's filled with rabbits.
a lot of things. वहाँ पर there were small ducklings which are अभी.
Leeds is famous as a red brick university because you can see that यहाँ पे बहुत पुरानी buildings हैं जो बाद में university का part बन गई. So it's famous as red brick university. In front you can see that's Leeds University Union, my most favorite place. Let's go. Come from here.
Griffins
Go.
is the.
Griffins is the team, like the
Team.
sports team here.
Yeah.
So, yeah, like there was a Leeds Varsity Games, which means there's a competition between University of Leeds and Leeds Beckett.
Leeds Beckett.
Yeah, so it's a Varsity Games.
Yeah.
They are over now. This is the famous
won?
Leeds. I don't know. I have no much idea. This is the famous Leeds University Union. These are all the old members who were elected. So this is like a charitable organization which is run by students. It has so much to see. This building confuses the hell out of me even today. Let's go. So आपको बाहर देख के लगेगा नहीं इसके अंदर इतना कुछ है.
Yeah, it didn't look
अभी
like.
बंद हो गया है यहाँ पर. There's a terrace bar क्योंकि
Okay.
यहाँ पे ड्रिंकिंग कल्चर है.
Yeah.
इंडिया में नहीं होता. So there's a culture.
India, mein, I think recently Tamil Nadu, they've closed down bars, or like not bars, even like vending shops
Yeah.
in 2
So-
kilometers from a
This
university.
is where you can buy university gear. It's like right now ये अभी बंद हो गया है. This is co-op, so you can like यदि आप यहाँ पर हो और आपको कहीं घर जाना है, you can just quickly go through the stuff. आपको जो भी चाहिए आप यहाँ से लेके जा सकते हैं.
Like a small shop
Do you
for
want to
kids.
go inside?
No, we're fine. I think
Yeah.
that's.
This is confusing. This is also a shop which is they close by 5:30. So यहाँ पे पूरा शहर ही बंद हो
शहर ही
जाता
बंद हो
है.
जाएगा. Yeah, right.
यहाँ से भी जा सकते हैं हम यहाँ से भी जा सकते हैं. I think यहाँ से चलते हैं.
Okay.
It's the same thing. So this is common ground. Leeds University Union यहाँ पर हर मंडे को 5:30 से 7:30 बजे तक ग्लोबल कैफ़े रखता है. ग्लोबल कैफ़े इज़ लाइक अ very tired. Global Cafe is like a meetup session where all the international students, आप कोई भी हो, यहाँ पर कॉफ़ी होगी, चाय होगी, बिस्किट्स होंगे. You can just come and have conversation with anyone.
Just they're making it like a
Yes,
event for
this
people
is
to know each
this is the
other.
only way. क्योंकि आप सब अपनी क्लासेस में होते हो और बाकी टाइम आप हो नहीं सकते. You can just sit there. You can take a photo from here. And there's also a cafe there. अभी यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट्स हैं. जब ग्लोबल कैफ़े होता है ये सारा कुछ खाली हो जाता है. यहाँ पे चेयर्स होते हैं, बेंचेस होते हैं. You can have a cup of coffee. You can have a cup of tea. And you can just sit with anyone and have a conversation. तो इससे मैंने यहाँ पे अपने 2-3 दोस्त मिले हैं जो इंडियन थे और जो बाहर से आए थे. ये बिल्डिंग बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लगती है मुझे. यू कैन सिट हियर. आप यहाँ देख सकते हो इतना स्टडी स्पेस है. स्टडी स्पेस की कोई
और हर
कमी
जगह पे
नहीं.
लोग पढ़ भी रहे हैं. ऐसा
या हमारे यहाँ आधे टाइम यही है कि अरे. सो यू कैन कम फ्रॉम हियर. सो यदि आपने कुछ खाना लिया है यू कैन यूज़ दिस टू माइक्रोवेव. ये स्टूडेंट किचन है. तो आप यदि कोई खाना लेके आए यू कैन यूज़ दिस स्पेस टू माइक्रोवेव एंड ईट व्हाटएवर यू वांट. रीहीट योर
रीहीट योर फूड. या घर से लेके आए हो, खुद बना के लाए हो कुछ.
यहाँ पे ये क्रॉसरोड्स है. इट्स अ मल्टी फंक्शनल एंटरटेनमेंट लाउंज. यू कैन अ स्पेस टू प्ले, वॉच, रीड. यू कैन जस्ट गेट रैकेट्स एंड प्ले इट हियर. एंड आई थिंक दिस इज़ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट ऑफ ऑल. ये लीड्स यूनिवर्सिटी यूनियन के अंदर स्टूडेंट सर्विस है. यदि आप पार्ट टाइम जॉब्स ढूंढ रहे हो, बहुत परेशान हो, जस्ट कम हियर. दे विल हेल्प यू आउट. एंड दिस इज़ जॉब लिंक. इट इज़ मेड फॉर connecting students and jobs. कल यहाँ पे part time student services के लिए fair था. So you can see here. If you are someone who is going to struggling with jobs, do come here.
Did they help you find a part-time job?
बीच में तो नहीं, but कल they promised.
Kal they promised, yeah.
और वैसे यहाँ पे underground ये if you are an Indian student, you should.
Of India, yeah.
Yeah. यहाँ पे मस्त था.
So there is an Indian cafe inside
Yes.
the university, guys. Yeah.
It's known as the Tikka Nation.
Yeah, and you can spin and win.
Yeah, that's for the app. Is it tiring? It's a huge university.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, you can. I think this place you can keep going on and on.
This is for the bubble tea. I'm sorry. There's a cafe inside which is like the most famous. It's refractory.
Would you like to have something?
No, no.
Yeah.
I think we should just join in. Like, there's a student advice. Whenever you are in help, it's closed right now. But whenever you need to talk about anything, there is always student advice office. You can come here till 5 and they will help you out. This is, I think, the main cafe or like the eating place here, eatery. You can use it from the. You can book your food from here,
Okay.
and then you can go inside, and it's open for everyone, student, non-student. You can just enjoy fresh food, whatever you want to
Yeah,
eat.
it's
here.
like a busy time. Everyone's
Yeah,
getting
because it's
dinner.
about to close. It closes, I think, at 5:30 or 6.
Yeah.
So it's the dinner time, and everyone is. You can go in here. It's fresh, like it's fresh food. So there's
I think that's one more thing that here mostly you get cold, you know,
No, this is
refrigerated food. This is freshly cooked one.
but it's a bit expensive. Also, you can. This is the sitting space. I think you can sit here and eat. Also, there's a place above, so you can sit there and eat.
So these are like the oldest buildings of the university.
Yes. आई थिंक मुझे ज़्यादा पता नहीं है पर जहाँ तक मैंने पढ़ा है कि यहाँ पे इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन के टाइम ना ये सारा चालू हुआ था.
So if you like this content, please subscribe to our channel and I will see you all in the next video.